Seaborn heatmap annotation value error, unknown format code G for object of type numpy.str_. I want to draw a seaborn.heatmap and annotate only some rows/columns. Example where all cells have annotation. Following these examples, paragraph adding value annotations, it is possible to pass to seaborn.heatmap an array with annotations for each cell as annotate parameter. Annotate, bool or rectangular dataset, optional if true, write the data value in each cell. If an array like with the same shape as data, then use this to annotate the heatmap instead of the data. Note that data frames will match on position, not index. If I try to generate an array of str and pass it as annotate parameter to seaborn.heatmap, I get the following error. Code which generates the value error. In this case I try to remove annotations of the fourth columns as an example. What is the cause of this error? How can I generate a seaborn.heatmap and annotate only selected rows/columns?
It is a formatting issue. Here the FMT equals is required if you are using non-numeric labels, defaults to FMT equals .2 grams, which consider only for numeric values and throw an error for labels with text format.
If you want to see more